Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the Antutu benchmark test in the iQOO 7 device after the new update which has been received from the Antutu benchmark version. Yes friends, there is a new update which has come from the Antutu benchmark. Let's see, using the latest Antutu benchmark version in the iQOO 7 device, how much benchmark scores we can actually expect in this iQOO 7 smartphone. So this is my first time doing this kind of testing friends on the latest Antutu benchmark version. So if you want to take a look at the previous scores, so previously using the 9.1.7, I did get the benchmark scores about 7,03,000, 7,05,000. The highest so far reached about close to 7,19,000 as well. As you can see, this is the highest score so far the iQOO 7 device reached in my device. Let's see using the latest version how much score the phone can actually reach. So let me to open the benchmark version. So the latest version, which is 9.2.0, as you can see exactly friends. So with this version, how much score we can actually get in the iQOO 7 device, because every time you do the benchmarks, it also depends upon the what kind of version you're trying to use. The score will be depending. That's the reason you need to understand. Right now, let me need to start the test at this moment. And during this time, there is no ultra game mode is used at all, because I just want to perform normal test without any kind of ultra game mode involved. Let's see using the latest version after the update, how much Antutu benchmark score you can actually expect in the iQOO 7 device. So in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out with your doubts. So I will be back after some time just to check what is happening with the temperatures and everything. Right now the temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius, not bad. So after getting these results, I'll try to compare these results versus previous results what we got. Is there any kind of difference in the CPU and the GPU scores or not? That's what I'll try to compare. So let me know in the comment section below with what smartphones you want me to do this kind of benchmark test. So very soon I'll try to do the benchmark test in other device as well as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos. So again, I'll be back after some time. Friends, we got the another benchmark test which is about close to 6,99,000. The benchmarks the phone has been reached. It's kind of slightly lower than expected, because previously the phone got reach up to 7 lakhs benchmarks as well. But right now we did see only 6,99,000 in the benchmarks. But let's take a look at the temperatures wise. 35.7 degrees. It did not increase much temperatures at this moment. And let's see the score. So comparing the benchmarks before versus right now, how much difference it's there. So I think these are tests using with the Spinboard cooler. I think this should be kind of normal test. Yes, I think this another benchmark test which I did not use any kind of cooling system. So right now let's see what happens. Compare with the scores. Temperatures before it is 36.7 degrees. Right now 35.7 degrees. 7,01,000 overall score, but the CPU 1,85,000, GPU 2,42,000, 2,39,000 GPU. You can see memory score, all those details, what is happening. So overall the score was able to remain exactly close to 7 lakhs. It didn't decrease much, but it was able to maintain 7 lakhs, not bad. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick Antutu benchmark test on the iQOO 7 device using the latest Antutu version 9.2.0. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's see more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.